Hi everyone, welcome to Nature Moments with Gabe. I'm here in Victoria Park in Kitchener, and there are 4 woodpeckers around me right now. Hairy woodpecker. Second hairy woodpecker. Downy. Red-bellied in the middle. We're lucky here in southern Ontario to have 4 kinds of woodpecker that hang out during the winter. To have 3 of them in the same tree at the same time is pretty awesome. Winter is an especially good time to see woodpeckers because the leaves aren't blocking your view. And while lots of other birds will lose their food sources, the bugs that live under the tree bark are still around for woodpeckers to eat through the whole winter. Be sure to find joy and wonder wherever you are today.